officially this is the student review, and we have
Okay.
completed the volume spread analysis, the complete series till now. From the day one, I think it's
Okay.
been more than 8 sessions, I guess, and we have
Yep.
completed it. And you have gone through a lot of things, and you have learned, various things, and you have sent me assignments. I've corrected you, and obviously, this is not the end, right? So I already told you
Yep.
there is a practical sessions. It's completely unlimited. Okay, whenever you
Mm-hmm.
have questions, whenever I'm free, every single week, also if it is possible, I'll keep hosting the sessions. It could be group sessions or one-on-one sessions. I will host it
Okay.
at least for a 30-minute sessions, and I'll clear all your doubts in terms of
Okay.
bitcoins. It could be any stock that you say or anything. Okay, so that is the
Okay.
next approach towards the volume spread analysis courses, because I personally promise that it's a unlimited series. There is no end for volume spread analysis. So that is something that I'll keep the promise from my end. And this is an official student review from your end, K. So
Okay.
guys, this is for actually YouTube actually. So a lot of viewers
Okay.
out there, they wanted to know how the courses was. That is the reason I wanted to make this video.
Okay.
Anyways, this is K, guys. So this is from Malaysia,
Hi.
and this K is actually wants to trade cryptocurrencies and other forex markets and everything. We had an amazing sessions from the past 1 week, and he is here. And K, go ahead and please, you can go ahead and explain. Be honest, anything. It could be absolutely fine. Go ahead, be
Yep.
honest. And how was your experience previously when you were learning, and after learning volume spread analysis? What is your change, by the way? And what do you think that this course could be helpful for any other beginners out there? You can go ahead and start your review. Please give us a valuable
Yeah.
feedback.
All right. What I've learned is amazing throughout this couple of 2 or 3 weeks. So basically, before I knew about this, I had some little experience YouTubing volume spread analysis, but it was just here and there. Information was all scattered,
Mhm,
so I couldn't really digest it
mhm,
correctly.
mhm,
So once we had our sessions, I started to realize that okay, so it makes sense now. This is this, this is this, this is this, and sign of strengths, sign of weaknesses, and then it evolved to schematics, and it helped me a lot. It helped me a lot in terms of looking at structure, and
mhm,
also, I mean, it's really helpful that you also gave me feedbacks on the charts that I sent you.
mhm.
So I think it's really great. I would highly recommend it.
That's
Superb, superb. Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you so much. And
yeah,
that's what I have a vision, right? So I have a vision to all
yeah.
my students out there. So anyone out there, I think till now, I think we had more than 15 students, and it's absolutely great. A lot of people are actually lacking behind, but that is something that it's absolutely fine, because I already promised them that I will be hosting unlimited sessions. So whenever they are free, they're coming back and they're asking the questions. I'm hosting the sessions for them, and even for you also, for any student out there. Probably the thing is, I'm thinking about the volume spread analysis course or any course out there. It will be limited actually. It's not for everyone, for sure, because the thing is, even at some point of time, I'll be stopping this. So I'll be focusing only on trading. I'll be focusing only on YouTube videos. I might be uploading
Hmm.
videos every single day also in the upcoming days, like post market analysis, pre market analysis, stocks for swing trading, or cryptocurrency markets, fundamentals. I'll be doing a lot of things. I do have the plans right here, but the
Hmm.
thing is, I already told you this is very limited. And for the limited people out there, obviously, I've kept a promise. There's only limited seats, and I'll be hosting this, and I'll be making sure that I'll give a lot and lot more content, and I'll make you a good trader. That is my vision, and I'll be doing that for sure. So yeah,
It's amazing.
that's the session, and thank you for your review. It was amazing. It is very valuable for me actually, because I never thought that I could actually go ahead and start teaching anyone out there. But once I got a confidence, I started teaching to most of the Indian traders actually. So once I
Hmm.
got that confidence, then obviously I got a really good reviews, and I thought, why don't I try with cryptocurrency markets or some international markets? Then I started with bitcoins and so on. It got a really good response, and here you are, one of the amazing students. You've learned a very in a very quick way, and that is something I liked about you. And I want students like you also in my particular community. So that's for this particular videos. Thank you for the review, K. And yeah,
Yeah, you're
we'll see you in the
welcome.
next sessions. And yeah, for all the subscribers out there, We'll see you in the next videos, guys. Goodbye. Have a great day.